Food fraud. Rice imports banned as plastic rice reports are investigated. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on OneSpotMedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, donkey meat. St. Anne officials probe the mysterious killing of the Beast of Burden.
Stalled. Colorado Cemetery land development temporarily halted.
Mud and mayhem. Andre Jemison reports on the aftermath of rains in St. Anne.
In business news, bitter spat over claims that manufacturers are abusing their import licenses.
There's also Ray of Hope, sports commentary and weather in this edition of Primetime News. But before the break, the feedback question.
We're asking, are you worried about the possibility of buying fake rice?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.